Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you three really cool General Electric 27909s, and this is Marshall's equipment from North Carolina, and they all have the same problem. He does have a note here with the units, and he's talking about the stainless steel colored one, the brushed stainless steel, also having the transmit issue but a keypad issue, and we're not finding that. We troubleshooted that a little bit, and we're going to go back into it again, but we're not seeing any kind of a dialing issue. It's hitting all the numbers. We're going to go ahead and repair these units. We need to troubleshoot them first. We're going to go through that, and then we'll repair them, and we'll come back and get some more video. But we have two of the designer models, so they're the black ones, and then you have the brushed stainless steel model. And we're going to go ahead and start the troubleshooting process. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of these three really cool General Electric 6.0 cordless telephones. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of these three GE 6.0 cordless telephones, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we have a line cord to each unit, and we're going to plug a line cord in one at a time. So we'll be checking them one at a time. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout. It's so that you can hear the audio from a receiver, and it's amplified. I have an amplifier back by the video, and it has a button on it, and I can push that button and give dial tone or take it away at any time. Now the issue is these are cordless telephones. They interchange a frequency between the handset and the base. And when you have an open amplifier with a pickup, it can bring in the interference that you will get from the frequency interchange. That's normal. It will interfere with the amplifier, and we'll try to show you what I'm talking about. It'll come over as a kind of a staticky hum, electrical noise, and that's normal. So if you hear that while we're checking the telephone out, because we also make a phone call with them, we call a time and temp number, you may hear that staticky noise. That is the interference from the interchange of frequencies between the handset and the base. So we have this unit hooked up first, and we're going to go ahead and check that unit out. So we'll plug it in, and we'll ring the unit. We'll let that go a couple times. I'll let it go one more time, and we'll give you some dial tone. It can also cause interference with the video. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer there, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can hang our unit up. Now what we can do is push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and make that call. Give you some dial tone.
Good afternoon. Today is Monday, June 20th. The time is 4:58. Current temperature 93 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Mostly sunny today, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the lower 90s, partly cloudy tonight, then becoming mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Mostly cloudy Tuesday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s.
We can hang our unit up. We'll go back over to the analyzer. I'll give you some dial tone. And I'll show you the noise that we're talking about. It can even interfere with the video. So that would be the noise that we're talking about with the frequency interference. Now what we want to do is we want to move over to our next unit, and we'll plug that unit in. We're going to go ahead and ring the unit, so we'll start that ring cycle with the analyzer. I'll let that go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. I want to transmit into the handset. Like earlier, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Hang our unit up. We can hit the button on the switch box again. That will give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation. We can call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone. We'll make that call.
Good afternoon. Today is Monday, June 20th. The time is 5:01. Current temperature 93 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Mostly sunny today, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the lower 90s, partly cloudy tonight, then becoming mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 70s. Mostly cloudy Tuesday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s.
We can hang our unit up. Now what we can do is we can unplug that unit and plug in our last unit. We want to go ahead and send a ring cycle to that unit. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. We'll go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Like earlier, we want to transmit into the handset. That's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can hang our unit up. We can go ahead and push our button on our switch box again. That will give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation. And we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Good afternoon. Today is Monday, June 20th. The time is 5:04. Current temperature 94 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Mostly sunny today, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the lower 90s, partly cloudy tonight, then becoming mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms, lows in the lower 70s. Mostly cloudy Tuesday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, highs in the upper 80s.
Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that these three really cool 6.0 General Electric cordless telephones have been repaired, we can return them to Marshall and he can enjoy these telephones once again. These are highly sought after cordless telephones. They no longer make these models, and if you can even find them used, they get pretty expensive. And a lot of times we have customers that will find a unit used and then pay quite a bit for it and still have to have it repaired. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. You can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.